never slow up. Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do is so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so distinctive like an astronaut. I got a vendetta against people who fashion being negativity and shooting it. I got facts over tracks, it's elastic, so sick of gas. I can roll, stacking gas, think I'm okay and last, but I don't know if that's no race on the past. And the greatness of a legend of the emptiness, hilarious. You can do it by time, serious, mysterious. You can know I'm high, superior, inferior. You know what I'm saying, superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can take them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. From the only kind you were built to last, yeah.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.